jumps through waves so happily. She climbs the waves and swims with me.
Whoa, whale!
This is the whale. She sings and swims, then dives to sleep.
A shark. This is the shark, with pointy teeth and a steady stare.
Octopus. This is the octopus. With 8 long arms, she hides in a cave.
This is turtle. She swims so calm and loves to go low.
This is the crab. He walks sideways fast and quick.
A lobster.
This is the lobster, with giant claws and a hard red cap.
Jellyfish. This is the jellyfish. She glows and floats with gentle fizz. Starfish.
This is the starfish, quiet and bright. She lies on rocks in morning light. This is the seahorse, Bubble, so sweet. He stands so tall with the curly tail.
This is the clownfish, Glub Glub Bun.
He hides in coral and zips for fun.
Swordfish.
This is the swordfish, Swish and glide. With the pointy nose, he cuts the tide.
Pufferfish.
This is the pufferfish, Pops so round. He grows so big with teeth so white. This is the stingray, Swish and glide. With wings so wide, she loves to slide. This is the orca, black and white. She swims in ponds, a powerful sight.
Monetization, again kind.
She munches plants with peace of mind.
This is the urchin, prickly ball. She doesn't move but feels it all.
This is the sea cucumber, soft and slow.
She cleans the sea from down below. This is the squid, Splash and Spin. He shoots out ink when he needs to hide again. Hermit crab, knock, knock, knock.
He lives in shells and walks a lot.
This is the coral, bright and small. She builds big reefs that welcome all.
This is the anemone, soft and slow, with wavy arms that gently flow.
Barnacle. This is the barnacle, stick to boats. She stays in place and never floats.
This is the sea snake, long and thin. She slides through rocks with a gentle spin.
This is the frog, ribbit so loud. He jumps in water and makes us proud.
This is the sea life with glee. She claps her fins and swims with me.
Walrus.
This is the walrus, big and bold, with long white tusks and a heart of gold.